Search for Visual Studio Community Edition. Community versions are free versions thanks to Microsoft. At the time of recording, 2019 is latest. If you're watching this video a few years in future, better use the latest version. Click download. It will automatically start download. I have download manager installed, so your pop-ups might be different. Just download the file. Once downloaded, run it. It will open an installer. Installer will give various options to choose from. For console applications, you can just select desktop development with C++. You can skip MFCs. I selected as I intended to experiment with GUI-based applications. Git extensions are also optional. These extensions simplify the use of Git. For C++, you can take a look at install directory where you want to install. For C++ course, .NET development is not required, and same for Linux development with C++. Press install. It will take a while, and in the end it will ask for a reboot. After reboot, you can open Visual Studio 2019. You might need to create a free Microsoft account and log in for the first time. Create a new project. Select empty project. In drop-down, select C++, Windows, and console respectively. Choose location and name of the project and click Create. Right-click Sources folder and click New item. Select C++ file and give it a name. Write this piece of code to print a message "Hello World" on the screen. Press Ctrl F5 to compile and run your code. Here you go.